Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 67 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to build this beautiful, iconic Batmobile, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be building this beautiful, beautiful Partwork, folks. Right, so let's quick scoot through the magazine. This is the TV show there. Catwoman sitting there doing her thing, played by Julie Newmar. This is Great Batman Comics. Batman 1996 Part 2 saw the publication of numerous limited series and specials. Yeah, it was quite a good year for the DC Comics that year. This was Detective Comics Batman. We then got our car parts today, which is the Batphone base, the gear shift base, gear shift head and brackets. That's all going to be going together today. And then we're going to be fitting that to the console that we fitted last time when we did the seat belts, folks, okay? So you're going to need that section with you. So grab that whilst you can. And we'll be putting that all together. And this is what we're going to end up with at the end of today's video. Okay, this little section here. So let's flip back, get our bits and pieces out and ready. We can do a bit of assembly for you, folks, okay? This is what we built last time with our belts ready to go. We got a couple of the AKP screws today, so let's get some of them out and get them ready. I've got one spare and we can start a bit of assembly, folks. We've got this little gadget there. That's going in place. So we got the gear lever and the rubber. So we'll pop that into place. That just slides straight in like so. With the ball end going in like so. And then on the end of this, we then got the silver ball to go on. Okay. So we're resting that up and through the housing like so, and that will press into place like so. Okay, nice and flush, and then that's what that will give us, that side little gear lever. We then want to grab our little chrome ball, and my desperation not to have this roll off the bench you would not believe, because yeah, it's a one-shot deal, Cole. So I'm going to put the ball on the end of there. So let's just find the hole. Which is there. There it is. I just saw it. But I want to get it right, right between my fingers because I twitch a lot and I know what's going to happen otherwise. So let's do that now. Feed that on the end of that. There you go. Right, that's going nowhere now. And then the bracket is what holds the gear lever up and stops it from falling down, okay? So in anticipation, let's get a screw and we'll get a bit of oil on that. Like that. And we'll get that bracket in place. Let's pull the gear lever right down. And then we can put that right over the top like so. And that should stop that now from falling down in that hole. Get the screw in there. Now the first one's in, I can rest easy. grab that, pop that in, and then do the same now with this front section. Then get that nice and neat and tight, just like so. We've then got the Batmobile base to go in. Now we can get the now we can get the Fanhome face base in, the Batmobile face even. The Batmobile base even. Get me words out. Mind you, it is 4:17 AM, so there you go. So let's grab a screw there and get that in situ. Right the way down in there we're going. There you go. But I tend to film these overnight because it's so quiet outside. And I haven't got the hustle and bustle of cars and things like that. But also the RAF base is quieter as well this time of day. So let's just grab that and put that in there. Then I'll put my finger over there. Like so. And that's the Batmobile base in. That's the seat belts looking rather mint. And that's that console getting ready to be joined to other bits and pieces. So that's where we're going to leave it today, folks. That's what we've got at the end of this, which is our centre console, Batmobile base, all of that lot looking rather resplendent. Like that. If you want to grab this for yourself, folks, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And take out a subscription for this beautiful 1/8 scale partwork. You will not be disappointed, folks. Also, to help me out, to help me grow the channel, give a little Fester a click and subscribe. I'd be really grateful if you did. Whilst you're there, just give the bell a ring, select all, you'll get notified of upcoming content, partworks, scale model stuff, all of that lot. Until then, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.